Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to change the navigation buttons. It means the bottom side buttons like this: back, home and options. Okay, it is very simple tutorial. Open your settings from your menu, or otherwise you can choose from the notification bar. In this case we are opening settings from the menu application, and you can see there is an option for display. Just open it. Yep, and select the navigation bar, this one. Okay, just open it. Here you can see there is different kind of navigation order. Also you can change the button order. Now we are change the back button to the right and left. Okay, which one is more comfortable to you, you can choose that. You can also hide the navigation buttons and fully move to the gesture mode. Now we are selected the fully gesture mode. Use your you can see there is a weight bar. Just swipe the bar left or right to access recent applications or opened applications, and also just swipe up for the application list which one is you are previously used, and so from swap from the right to left. You can go back from the application like back button. Okay, if you want to exit, you can just swap from the right to left. You can also access the Google Assistant from swapping left side to up. Oh, you are not like to this fully gesture mode, you can also turn off this mode from the same settings. Open settings and choose display, then navigation bar. Select the navigation buttons, then you can see there is a navigation button changing order. Just select which one you if you need, or which one is you if you want. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, if you have any doubt related to this video, please leave a comment below. I will answer your question as soon as possible. If you need any kind of tutorial related to computer, mobile or internet, please mention in comment box. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.